Ki khubor ka bate si TV. Pindon kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator. Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai. Spare parts but service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Kakashari haka arpun ritarik ujalio araja rapsan. Kala aibor yi ki Pulit banset henrius ngi ha police custody. Ya ki laingot ki beriu ki belasha kem halor ke jing penduk pendam. Ya ki saki sabut bakongsan ki bayadai bat ke jing sya penyam unong kayi na indoor. Raja Raghuvanshi hasora. Superintendent of Police, Uba Herbert Kargongor, Uba Kli Yaka Special Investigation Team, Haka Jinkran Bat Kilar Patai Kubor, Ulaong, Bayaki Langut, Lawanra Seshelong na Madhya Pradesh, Hadin Bala Yobor na Kakashiri, Bat Mentakasihi, Lara Bantian Bishar Hakmat Kakashari. USP Ulayotu Shushu, Baki Pulit Kimpalap Satya Yaka mobile phone Jongka Sonam, Kabakam Bakala Pendon Kam, Hadu Laitali mobile phone, Hakaba Artli Ladep ban Pynsniew.
Actually, today the three accused persons, they were being brought from Madhya Pradesh on the transit remand, and they reached today, and accordingly we sent them forwarded them to court for production, and we've got 6 days police custody for all the three persons. Right now, we've already received the police custody, and we are going to thoroughly interrogate them, and then whatever facts which relate to the destruction of evidence, then we'll try to uncover that, as well as any other aspects that come out. Right from the beginning, all the whatever we have got is like it had already been briefed that there was this bag which was actually disclosed by the accused persons, Raj as well as Sonam. So when we went there, and then after accessing those visuals and all, we saw that this bag had already been taken out, and accordingly we sent a dispatcher team there, and then the team, when they reached there, they accessed those visuals, CCTVs and all, and then they found that this person was involved, and then later on we found that the bag was burned, also the same bag which has burned. See, the first thing is, like we said, there was the intention first was in fact it was greed also, we can say, and as well as what they've done in the process is of course the destruction of very vital evidences, and in fact right now we are going to investigate, interrogate them, and then find out whether if we are able to get some more light into it, whether, because these materials like laptop and all, they said that they have been thrown, but we will interrogate them and find out where exactly they're thrown, or whether it's still being kept somewhere. We'll find out. Right, that we don't have any thing. It doesn't.
Whether this arm that you have recovered, whether is it a licensed arm, or if you can.
No, we have not got any license in that. We did not see
it's illegal.
Any license. Yeah, we can say it's illegal. That there is a motive of love angle out there also, but at the same time there are the other materials also that we are exploring, and then once we find, then we'll put up.
So business angle is there very much.
Pardon?
Business angle.
See, they have their own business dealing also, the two accused also, that is being explored, and the bank details and all is being studied and analyzed, and accordingly we'll be able to come to.
So the splinter team of the SIT is still stationed in Indore, or they have all come
No,
back?
they have returned back.
Can you tell us, Tomar and Sonam knew each other?
As per the preliminary statements that we've taken of the accused, Tomar and all, they don't know. They have not met.
This Indore team, any crucial thing from their finding did you?
See, the main crucial thing is they've recovered those material. These are very important incriminating materials,
so we can say that the investigation into the case, in as far as in the state of Indore, it has been completed?
We cannot say that it's completed. See, the case is always ongoing. Investigation is still going on. We still have to interrogate these accused persons that have been brought, and accordingly, necessary action will be taken. If we have to go there again, also our team are ready to send, and they'll be going and doing the investigation there. Whatever evidence, like from the beginning, we had already mentioned that the evidence that we have we have strong evidence, and in fact, as we proceed with the investigation, you can also see from whatever media briefing we're giving, and whatever we found also, there are so many things that are being linked to the crime. Yeah. Our job is to investigate. Obviously, we collect all the evidence, whatever material comes, whatever witnesses come, and then we put that in our paper, and then like we said, we'll charge sheet the case within the stipulated time of 90 days. So yeah, we are heading in that direction only, and whatever materials we get, we have a strong case.
So regarding the 5 accused, including Sonam and her lover, has police, have they recorded their confession statement under that section 164 CRPC?
164. Actually, we have not sent everyone, 2 of them, but they didn't want to make the statement before the magistrate.
Is Sonam also?
That's the discussion. That is their prerogative. The court has passed an order also that they were not willing.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.